In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your tasks using rules in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Asana is an amazing tool for managing your personal tasks, and one of the best features it offers is the ability to automate your task management through rules. This not only helps you stay organized, but also streamlines your workflow significantly. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the My Tasks section in Asana. This is your personal digital to-do list interface, where all your responsibilities are laid out clearly. If you're not familiar with this area, don't worry. It's pretty straightforward and easy to find. Just look for My Tasks in the main navigation bar. Once you're in My Tasks, look up at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled Customize. Clicking this button will open up a menu, allowing you to tailor your task management experience to suit your needs. Once the menu is open, you'll want to select the option labeled Rules. This is where the magic starts to happen. By setting up rules, you can automate certain actions, which can save you a lot of time and keep your workflow smooth. Now, look for the Add button within the Rules section. When you click on it, you'll begin the process of setting up a new automation rule. Asana offers a variety of pre-made templates that can help you get started quickly. You can browse through these templates to find one that suits your specific requirements. For example, you might find a template that automatically moves tasks to different sections when their status changes, or one that triggers notifications when deadlines are approaching. If you find a template that resonates with your needs, go ahead and select it. But if you don't quite see what you're looking for, you can always create a custom rule from scratch. This is where you can really tailor the automation to your personal task workflow. When creating a custom rule, you'll need to select specific triggers that will initiate the rule. Triggers can include actions like when a task is marked as complete or when it's assigned to you. After you've selected your trigger, you'll then choose corresponding actions that will happen in response. For instance, this could be moving the task to another project, changing its due date, or sending you an email notification. Once you've set your triggers and actions, it's important to save your settings. This final step is crucial as it will transform how you organize and respond to your daily responsibilities. And that's it. After you finish setting everything up, take a moment to check your results. Make sure everything looks as you intended. You should now have a customized task management system that not only helps you stay on top of your responsibilities, but also makes your life a little easier. Thank you for joining me in today's video on how to manage your tasks using rules in Asana. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on productivity tools. Happy tasks!